Hello friends, welcome to Shanu recipes. In this video, I am going to show you how to make brinjal stir fry. It's also known as eggplant. This recipe is such a simple, at the same time it tastes really good, and it's one of the quick recipes that can be made during the busy morning hours. This poriyal taste is good with sambar rice, rasam rice, or even with curd rice, and it is also one of the best bachelor's recipe, I must say. So let's get started. I've taken 200 grams of dark purple color brinjals. You can use any type of brinjal, but make sure it's very tender. That's more important to get a very nice taste. So always chop them into thin slices like this, and you have to soak them in water. It's very much important because if you allow it to soak in water for at least 5 minutes, the color of the water will change. You can look at the color now, it's like a little brown shade of water. So after 5 minutes you can drain the water and wash it couple of times and have it ready. So heat a kadai and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of urad dal. Allow it to splutter and then add little curry leaves and 1 slit green chili and 2 finely chopped garlic. Garlic is optional. If you don't like the garlic flavor, you can skip it. Just fry them for a few seconds and then add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it for a while. You don't need to fry the onion really well, because after adding the brinjal, the onion will get cooked for some more time, so that should be enough. So just after a few seconds, I'm adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix. And then time to add the brinjal. I have washed it a couple of times and look at the color of the water now. It's very clear. So this is how it has to be. Now drain the water and add the brinjal. Mix well. So the brinjal has to be really tender to get a very nice stir fry. It gets cooked really fast. When you use tender brinjals, the cooking time will be very less. So now I'm going to close it with a lid and let it cook in medium flame for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to grind 2 tablespoons of coconut chunks with half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just grind it coarsely and have it ready. We are going to add it at the end. It's been 2 minutes now. Let's open and have a look. It's been half cooked. Just give it a mix and make sure the heat is at medium so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. So after a quick mix, I'm going to close it with the lid again and cook for another couple of minutes. Let's open it and have a look. It's been nicely cooked. Everything has almost turned soft now. Just look at the softness of the brinjal. So this is when you have to add the spice powders. I'm going to add very little of spice powder because I've already added green chilies. So adding chili powder is optional. I'm just going to add half teaspoon of it. If you don't want, you can just skip chili powder, and you can adjust the chili powder according to your spice level, or you can just add couple of more green chilies if you like that green chili flavor. And then I'm adding salt only at this stage because brinjal, after getting cooked, it reduces in quantity, so it is always better to add salt at this stage. After adding a chili powder and salt, give it a mix, and you don't need to close it again. Just cook it in open. Give it a mix and let it cook for just 1 or 2 minutes till the raw smell of chili powder goes off. Look at the softness of the brinjal. It's been cooked really well. It's been a couple of minutes now, and time to turn off the heat. Just before turning off the heat, I'm going to add the coarsely ground coconut and cumin seeds. It gives a very nice flavor. If you don't want to add coconut, at least add cumin seeds. That really enhances the flavor of this stir fry. So after adding this, you can turn off the heat and then give it a mix. That's all. Such a super easy and very tasty Brinjal stir fry is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.